Hello everybody, today we are going to be playing Edward the Man-Eating Train. Now, I have played this before, but I haven't played this in years, so this might have changed a lot. I'm sorry if I'm really laggy, but the computer has been broken for a little bit, but... yeah, it's still pretty good. It's pretty good. So yeah, we're just gonna be waiting, and if you like my content, or if you want to see more content from me, make sure to subscribe and make sure to like it. It helps out a ton, motivation wise and quality wise. So, let's see what we got. Ooh, we could get some really good stuff, but yep. Oh, that's what I was thinking. I don't know. I think it's something. Oh wait, there's cultists. That's right, the cultists. I forgot they existed. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba ba. Okay, got hit. Have I not driven them? Oh! Ammo crate! Miss. Okay, we got one extra mag. Reload. He's almost dead. He's almost dead. These little guys. Scissor ammo on Big Boy's Scissor Hands, or whatever his name is. Or Man-Eating. Big Boy Train. Big Boy Train. That's what I'm gonna call him. I'm just gonna call him Edward, actually. Much easier. Then he hasn't come back yet. He usually comes back by now. I see him. Let's do this, Edward. I'll kick your ass. What the hell was that? Ah! No! Well, dang. Okay, same spot. I don't know if I just picked that up or not. No, I did not. There's 3 tickets. Yummy. 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 Okay. Oh crap, right at the front. And I see him. I see Edward. You guys are here. Go away. I tried shooting his little legs, but nothing happened. Oh my god, no way! Did we already kill him? We already killed him! Hey Edward, how you doing? I haven't seen you in about 5 minutes. Probably less. Oh my god. They actually... I can't sprint! I can't sprint! Make it! He died again? Did he just die? I think he just died. I think this guy. What just happened? I feel like by the time he gets here, it's gonna be way too late, and then we're already gonna be. Oh crap! What was that? Oh, he's back. I see him. He just chilling, right? Yeah, we win. We win. That's Dubs. That's Dubs. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, we got no crates. So let's see, where's the oh! Oh, I cursed. Well, I guess I'll censor it. Cool. The tank thing is right here. Speaking of the tank thing, where's the guy that does the tank thing? I don't see him anymore. Did he leave? The skeleton guy. Skeleton's guy is still in here. We gotta load it. There's two tank things. Oh my, they have explosives. Oh wait, no, that was us. Oh, we died again. Oh, can you move? Thank you. Crap. I see. It's not working. Load. That's only 20. That's actually stupid. And I can't even see him. No, he's dying. Dude, I actually cannot see him. There we go. And we're out. Yeah, die.
Next level.
Rockster family fall. Oh no. Gulp. All for some crappy weapons and crap and just useless titles. Let's see, are we next to the good tanker? Yes, we are. Getting more. Oh, and I have so much munitions. Still waiting, there we go, there we go. Let's grab this thing, and bring it here, and bring it here. We drop it. My goodness, grab this quick. Yeah, run away. Oh, that's a flamethrower. That's a flamethrower. Almost dead. Oh my god, it's going up in flames. Get out of here. You're dead. Ah, here! What the? Where did my roof go? Ah, he's burning me alive! Why is he talking to me? Okay. These are good. Oh, we might be cooked. There's some good weapons. I'm gonna just die on purpose. It's trying to survive. I'm not even gonna help anyone. I'm just gonna survive. I'm just gonna try and survive. This is a bear 50. Okay. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Boom. Headshot. Ow. Nice trucks over this guy. Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I need to run. I need to run. He's still very much after me. And I'm bleeding now. Oh, I'm not bleeding. I'm poisoned. He died. Oh yeah, it's just me. Yeah, f this. Yeah, yeah, I wasn't surviving that. That's not happening. I swear to the love of God, why does it? Oh, thank God. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Subscribe. Yay!